So people often ask me, Sam, is it really possible to use Claude to help you create a YouTube automation channel? And the answer to that is yes. Most people can't believe that they can have a conversation with Claude directly within the chat. And it's not only going to help you create the faceless videos that you're going to upload, but it's going to help you with the best type of channel to start based on the highest CPM. It's also going to come back with the profile picture to use, the banner that you can upload to your channel, and it's also able to create an animated character that's going to appear in all of your videos. This is something that you can literally do within your Claude account, and I'm going to break down exactly how all of this works. This is something that no one else on YouTube has shown you, but I'm going to be giving you all of the details and all of the steps today. Now, the way that this is going to work is that you need to use something called a MCP. An MCP is something that you're going to connect to your Claude account. It might sound a little bit intimidating, but trust me, it takes about 2 minutes for you to connect it. And once you have, you're then going to be able to create endless amounts of faceless videos. And the MCP connector that you're going to use is going to be this one over here. It's going to be Digital Maker AI. So first and foremost, you're going to need to create an account if you haven't already done so. I'm going to leave a direct link to it in my description down below. And when you're on the homepage, if you just scroll down over here, you're going to see that there's this new integration with Claude. So if you want to get more information on exactly how it works, you could just click on learn more, get all the information you need. It's going to show you exactly what you're able to do. And if you're happy with it, again, you can just create your account. And from there, you're going to be able to now get your unique link that you're going to paste into your Claude. It's not difficult at all. You're just going to click into your account. You're going to see settings on the left-hand side. Once you click into that, you're going to see Claude MCP. And it's going to be here where you're going to select the option to create a key. It's going to come back with these two things that you need to copy and paste, simply Digital Maker AI and your unique URL link. This URL link contains your API key, so you want to make sure that you keep it safe. Don't show it to anyone. I'm even going to blur it out on the screen right now. And then once you go into your Claude account on the left-hand side, you're going to see the option to customize. Once you select that, you need to click on add and then custom connectors. And it's going to be here where you're going to copy the name and then you're going to copy the URL, and just like that, everything should be connected. So now that my Digital Maker AI account is connected directly to my Claude account, this is where I'm going to be able to start using it to produce faceless videos and just generally to help me get this faceless channel started. I do want to let you know that you can log directly into your Digital Maker AI account as well and do everything I'm about to show you that you can do within Claude. But if you're an avid Claude user, you use it every single day and you want to be able to use it simply just to have a conversation and tell it exactly what to do, this is the alternative, but you still have this option as well. So yeah, today what I'm going to be doing is showing you exactly what I'll do if I wanted to start a brand new channel and I didn't know what channel I wanted to start. I didn't know what it was going to look like, how it was going to function, or what type of videos I'm going to make. So the first prompt that I'm going to enter, firstly, what I'm going to do is just make sure that the connector is turned on. Yep, right there, we can see it's turned on. So the first prompt that I'm going to enter is going to be which faceless YouTube niches are worth starting right now today if I want a strong CPM, and I'm telling it to use the Digital Maker AI MCP. The reason why I'm entering this question is because for those of you out there that don't already have a channel, if you're able to find one with a high CPM, there's a high likelihood that there's going to be more people watching that content. For those of you that's not sure as to what a CPM is, it stands for cost per milli, and this is the amount that YouTube pays per every single 1,000 views. So there's multiple different benefits of starting a channel that has a high CPM. Of course, you're going to be able to earn more AdSense on your videos, but in addition to that, there's going to be more viewers, more people searching for that type of content, which means that you're going to be able to reach more and more viewers. So yeah, this is the question or the prompt that I'm going to type in, and I'm just going to wait for it to load up and see exactly what it comes back with. Okay, perfect. So right there, you guys can see that it's now searching the actual Digital Maker AI database, because within it, you can actually find various different faceless channels. So it's scrolling through all of them. It's looking for the best type of channels with the highest CPM, and it should come back with a complete list. Okay, there we go. So these are some of the niches that are doing really well, that have a high CPM. It's giving me the average amount that I'm going to earn per 1,000 views for each one. So this is definitely a good place to start if you're confused on what type of topic you want to pick. It is important to make sure that whatever niche you do enter, you have some sort of knowledge on it. For example, with myself, I'm someone that has been involved with personal finance and investing for the past 7-8 years. So if I was to start a channel within this niche, I'm not going to be completely clueless. So just make sure that before you enter a specific niche and you center your entire faceless channel around it, you make sure that number one, of course, it's got a decent CPM, but second to that, you want to make sure that you're starting a channel where you've got more knowledge than the common person. Of course, you're going to be using AI to help you make the videos, but if you're able to start a channel where you know a lot about it, you're going to be able to add your own information into it so that you can make better quality videos. But now that I know that I'm going to move forward in this video with the personal finance and investing style of video, I'm just going to enter the second prompt that says, find me faceless channels within this specific niche ranked by the highest monthly estimated revenue. So this is something that Claude couldn't necessarily do on its own, but because it's directly connected to Digital Maker AI's MCP, and Digital Maker AI does have its own database of channels, it's going to be able to look into that database, it's going to be able to search it and organize the data and come back with a list of real active faceless channels. And it goes without saying as to why this is helpful, because it's going to organize the data in a way that is as clear. We can get the list of faceless channels in the first column. We can get the estimated monthly revenue, their subscriber count, how many videos they're uploading on a monthly basis, and the average length of their videos. The alternative to using this is that you may need to go directly onto YouTube, type in the topic or your niche, and then from there filter through channels where there's a real life person on camera. That's obviously going to take a lot longer, but with this, you could just click into any of these channels. So let me check out this one that's got around 22k subs, but as you can see, the estimated monthly earnings is pretty decent. Okay, so this is the channel right here. As you guys can see, it looks like a Stickman animated channel. If I just click into more, we can see that this channel was started just a few months back, but they've already crossed over 2.5 million views. So yeah, they're definitely doing well. We can see that their videos are getting really good engagement, and we can see that it's also a very simple format. If I click into this video right here, as you can see, all it is these different images that appear on screen. It's got an AI voiceover and it's got the animated character appearing in every scene. This is a format that is doing really well on YouTube right now, and it's also a format that's easy to replicate. Because what you can also do with the Claude MCP is that you can actually take a screenshot of this animated character, paste it directly into the chat, and with the help of Digital Maker AI, of course, you can enter a prompt alongside the image and just tell it that you want to make a similar character. And then you can add some information about the character. So I'm just going to put this information in there like that. And right there, as you guys can see, it's now creating the character from scratch using the reference image. And there we go. It's come back with a version that I can use. Let me just open up the image so we can take a better look. Okay, perfect. So this meets my prompt accurately. I told it that I want it to look similar. I want it to have a blue scarf. I want it to have a blue cap. And right there, I've now got my own animated Stickman character that I'm going to be able to use. And of course, if you want to make any changes to the character, you're going to be able to easily do that by having a back and forth conversation with Claude, or you could do so by logging directly into your Digital Maker AI account. But swiftly moving on to the next prompt, with this one, what I'm going to be doing is asking Claude to give me 10 channel name ideas. So with the animated channel that I was able to find with Claude, that channel is all about giving personal finance tips to Australians. So I want to do something similar, but instead I want to do it for people that are living in London or the UK. So what I'm going to do is just enter this prompt and see exactly what it comes back with. Okay, perfect. So just like that, it's giving me different name ideas that I can choose based on the formula that's doing well. So this name over here is not bad, British Finance with Bob. I'm going to use this one for this example. I'm just going to enter this prompt and tell it that I now want a profile picture as well as a banner. You heard that right. Claude is able to create your actual profile picture as well as the channel banner that you're going to upload to your YouTube studio that people are going to see. And my advice is to try and give Claude as much information about how you want it to look. One really cool thing is that if you find a channel that has a similar style that you want, you can actually take a screenshot of it, drag and drop it directly in the chat, and it's going to be able to do something similar. So take this channel over here that we're using as an example. What I can do is just take a screenshot of it just like this, drag and drop it directly in the chat. And yeah, let's wait and see exactly what Claude is able to do. And there we go. Within maybe 1 minute or so, it's come back with the link to the profile picture as well as the banner. So let's just open it up and see exactly how it looks. Okay, so here we have the banner, and this over here is the profile picture. So not bad at all. It's definitely in line with the theme of the entire niche. And the fact that I was able to do this without any graphic design skills, simply by telling it exactly what I want, is truly amazing. And of course, from this point, what you're going to do is go over to your YouTube account by going over to youtube.com, creating an account. From there, you're going to click on customize and you can simply upload your profile picture as well as your banner so that you can get your account ready for you to start uploading videos. Which actually now brings me on to one of the next prompts, which is going to be to use Claude to come up with different video ideas. So I'm going to tell it to give me 10 different video ideas for my first official video. Because it has a full understanding as to what my channel is about, it's going to be able to look into the details, scan the internet, look through Digital Maker AI's database and come back with a decent list. And it's going to be from the list that you get that of course you need to go away and do a little bit more research into it, because as you can see right here, we've got different options for this channel. But one tip that I want to give you guys, and it's actually a new way of being able to figure out if a video is being searched for or not, is to go into your Digital Maker AI account. Because over here, you're going to find this new feature called Trend Finder, where you can basically type in any search term keyword, and it's going to let you know if people are searching for it specifically on YouTube. So think of Google Trends, but instead it's YouTube Trends. And what it's going to be able to do is also show you the fastest growing niches at any particular time. But yeah, if we take a look at this list of different video topics, we can see that there is, various different ones that I can choose from. And you don't want to overthink this. You just want to pick one that you believe is going to do well and then move on to the next, because your first video may not do well. Your second video may not do well. Your 10th video may not do well. It's all about consistency. But the one that I'm going to take a look at is going to be number 6 in the list, Stealth Wealth. I'm just going to enter it in here just like this. I'm going to leave it on worldwide. And for the past 12 months, let's see what it's able to pull up. All right, so there we go. It's letting me know that this is a search term that is rising fast. It's been able to grow by 33% in recent times. And if I was to look over the past 5 years, yeah, we can see that there is a consistent amount of people searching for it on YouTube. And we can see over the past 5 years, it's had a 141% growth. Remember, this isn't a generic keyword search tool. This is looking at the data on YouTube. People go into YouTube to the search bar, typing in something to watch. We can see that this has a lot of interest. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend checking out the Trend tool when it comes to getting quick video ideas for you to make, whether you've got a brand new channel or an established one. But now that I know what video I want to make, I'm going to move on to the next prompt, which is going to be to tell it to actually make the video. This is where everything comes together, because this is something that, once again, I'm not aware of that you can do with Claude with any other MCP. Digital Maker AI is the only one that I believe allows you to create videos directly in the chat without having to install Claude Code, without having to go back and forth. You can literally just enter a simple prompt like this. I'm going to make a 1-minute video just for example purposes, but if I wanted to make a video up to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'm going to be able to do so. My advice, if you're using the Claude MCP, is to be specific as to what you want the video to look in terms of what Digital Maker AI is able to do. My advice is to go into your Digital Maker AI account initially, just so that you know the different options that are available to you. So we've got the visual style when it comes to how you want your video to look. Do you want it to look realistic? Do you want it to look animated? Is it going to have that ancient historic feel? What type of effects do you want to include in the video? Is there any CTAs, telling the audience to subscribe, like, or comment? What type of subtitles do you want to use as well? Even when it comes to the type of voice that you want to include in your videos that you're making with Claude, it's always good for you to know what's available in your account first, so that you can have an accurate conversation with Claude when making any piece of content. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to enter these specifics. I'm going to tell it that I want to make this video right here. I want it to use a male voice with a UK accent. I want the video to be 1 minute. I want to add a zoom in, zoom out effect. And I also want to include a CTA asking the audience to subscribe to the channel. And of course, I'm going to tell it that I want to use the latest character that it just made. So yeah, I'm going to make this video right here, click on enter. And because it's only a 1-minute video, it's not going to take too long. What's going to happen is that it's going to come back with a summary of exactly what's going to be included in the video. And it's also going to send an email directly to you once the video has been completed. So this is the email that I just received. As you can see, it came in 0 minutes ago. It's got the title of the video right there, letting me know that my video is ready. So I could just click into it and watch the video. Okay, so far so good. We can see the animated character has been included in the video. We've even got this UK-based supermarket, Tesco's, that's been included in the actual visuals as well. So it's looking good, but what I'm going to do is play it. I'm going to play a short part of it just so that you can see exactly what it was able to come back with.
Picture this. A man in a grey Tesco car park, stepping out of a 2008 Honda Civic. Net worth, £3.2 million. Meanwhile, across town, an entrepreneur pulls up in a gleaming Range Rover, designer sunglasses, bespoke suit. He's drowning in six figures of debt. This is the paradox of modern wealth. And it's hiding in plain sight across Britain. If you're curious about how the truly rich think differently, subscribe. We break down the psychology of invisible money every week. The wealthy have cracked a code that most never see. They've learned that every pound spent on status is a pound that never compounds. A vintage Rolex worn for 20 years. A semi-detached house in an ordinary suburb. A Sainsbury's trolley filled with own brand products.
Okay, so this is basically like the channel that we're modeling, you know, the one that got over 2.5 million views in just a couple months. So it was able to do a really good job without me having to edit any video myself. And there's actually a new feature that's been added to Digital Maker AI, which is the fact that you can now animate it. So there's going to be some movement to the videos. So if you want to keep it still and static like what you just watched, you can definitely do that. And you can download the video straight away. If you want to make any changes to it, you're going to be able to do so. But if you did want to download it, you could do so by clicking the download MP4 button. But for those of you that do want to have some sort of movement in the video, it's going to be in this brand new section that you can see right here. So you can either animate one scene, you know, maybe two scenes, all of the scenes, various different scenes. It's completely down to you. But for the sake of this example, I'm going to animate all of them. This again doesn't take too long depending on how long your video is, but I'm going to let it load up and I'm going to be back straight away as soon as it's finished. Okay guys, I'm back, and as we can see, the animated version is now ready for me to view. Before I do so, I do want to let you know that when it comes to making any changes to any of the animated scenes, you've got complete flexibility. You can just click into any of the scenes down here. You can edit it and change it in whatever way that you want to. But for now, I'm just going to play a short snippet of it once again so that you get the point as to how all of this animation stuff works. Let me click on play.
Picture this. A man in a grey Tesco car park, stepping out of a 2008 Honda Civic. Net worth, £3.2 million. Meanwhile, across town, an entrepreneur pulls up in a gleaming Range Rover, designer sunglasses, bespoke suit. He's drowning in six figures of debt. This is the paradox of modern wealth. And it's hiding in plain sight across Britain. If you're curious about how the truly rich think differently, subscribe. We break down the psychology of invisible money every week. The wealthy have cracked a code that most never see. They've learned that every pound spent on status is a pound that never compounds. A vintage Rolex worn for 20 years. A semi-detached house in an ordinary suburb. A Sainsbury's trolley filled with own brand products. These aren't signs of poverty. They're the unmistakable fingerprints of compounding wealth.
Okay guys, there we go. You know, I'm sure that you're blown away by what it was able to do. The fact that you can now animate a video just like that with a simple press of a button is truly mind-blowing. And if I'm happy with this and I'm ready to upload it to my channel, all I need to do is just click on the download button. But yeah guys, for the most part, that is how you can use Claude to help you get a automated YouTube channel set up. It can help you with every single part of the process, like I showed you, from the profile picture to the idea of the channel, to the banner, to the niche, doing research, creating the actual videos. You can even use it to help you create the thumbnail as well. And there's a way that you can automate the entire process so that you don't have to have a conversation with Claude. The videos are going to be made automatically and then posted directly to your YouTube channel, however often you want them posted. I'm going to leave a video at the end of this that's going to break down some other ways that you can basically build an automated YouTube channel, things that I didn't have time to show you today. If you want to watch that, I'm going to leave it on screen. If you can't see it on screen, it's going to be linked in the description down below. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything from it, you got any sort of value, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to check out Digital Maker AI linked down below. It's going to be the top link in the description. And I'm also going to put a coupon code down there as well. This tool's growing. It's got over 30,000 active users. So it's definitely something worth checking out. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.